Parents and students, we made it to the end of the year and we all look forward to summer coming up here shortly. Just want to give you some last second updates to what might be happening in the next couple of days as we hit our exam schedule. Our exam schedule will be Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. And the first class of the day is going to be from 8:20 to 10. We'll have a short lunch from 10 to 10:45. And then we'll have our next class from 10:52 to 12:30. At 12:30, students will have two options. They will either stay in class for the remainder of the day until they ride the bus home at the normal time at 3:35, or they can be a car rider. If they choose car rider, they need to turn in the form, the early release form that was sent home earlier this week, and it needs to be returned to the school here soon, before that class period, so we can send them out. If they do not get that form, students will stay in their classroom until 3:35 on the regular bus dismissal, or you'll have to check them out in the front office. The second thing I want to make you aware of is during this time we expect more cars coming here, and so we have a plan to help address this. The plan is going to work accordingly. So parents, again, as normal, as you're going to drive down East Hall Road, you're either going to make a right, or if they're coming this way, a left on East Hall Drive. And as you come on East Hall Drive, the one big change first is instead of making a right here, you're going to go into the wrong lane, and you're going to work your way down all the way through the bus ramp, back up, and then you're going to be coming into the parking lot where eventually you'll pick up your child and work out. Now this front entrance will be closed, so all traffic will have to work this way. And again, you're going to go into the exit lane, the opposite lane, and work your way all the way up through, up around, and this is so we can handle the excess traffic that we expect more of. And you're going to work through and pick your son or daughter up at the front of the gym during this time period. So again, we do expect increased traffic, so please make sure you understand you're coming in on the wrong lane. Make sure you understand that this will happen at 12:30 and that you have to have a form to get this completed. Please, we appreciate your help during this time, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at adam.rich@hallco.org.